In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use Monday.com for resource allocation and management so you can clearly see who's available, who's overloaded, and how to balance your team's workload efficiently. Whether you're managing a small team or an entire department, this setup will help you stay organized and avoid burnout. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more practical Monday.com tutorials. Now, let's get started. The first step is to create a dedicated resource management board. Inside Monday.com, click on the plus icon in the top left corner, then select Add and choose New Board. Name this board Resource Management so it's clear and easy to find later. Once your board is created, organize it with groups to reflect resource status. Create groups called Available, Assigned, and Overbooked. These groups will help you quickly move resources around based on their workload and capacity. Next, we need to add the key columns that will power your resource tracking system. Start by adding a people column. This will allow you to assign a specific team member to each resource entry. Then add a numbers column. This is where you'll track hours, workload, or capacity, such as total hours assigned per week. After that, add a status column. Customize the labels to match Available, Assigned, and Overbooked, and use color coding so you can instantly recognize workload levels at a glance. Add a date column to define the time frame for a task or project, which is especially useful when managing deadlines or sprint cycles. Finally, add a text column for task details, notes, or project descriptions, so everything stays centralized in one place. Now it's time to add your resources. Click on Add Item to start creating entries. Each item can represent a person, a piece of equipment, a contractor, or even an entire department, depending on how you structure your workflow. Fill in the people column, define the number of hours or capacity in the numbers column, select the appropriate status, and add relevant dates and task details. As you continue adding items, your board will begin to give you a clear overview of resource distribution. To make your board even smarter, set up automations. Click on Automations at the top of the board and select Add New Automation. Monday.com provides pre-built automation recipes that are extremely easy to configure. For example, you can create an automation that says, when the numbers column is greater than 40, change status to Overbooked. This means whenever someone exceeds 40 assigned hours, their status will automatically update, giving you a real-time warning without manual checking. Automations like this reduce errors and save you time while keeping your planning accurate. Once everything is set up, it's important to actively monitor and maintain your board. As tasks are assigned or completed, update the numbers column to reflect actual hours. Adjust statuses as workloads change. Move items between Available, Assigned, and Overbooked groups to keep your board clean and reflective of reality. The color-coded status column will make it easy to quickly scan and identify who has capacity and who might need support. Over time, this visibility helps you make better staffing decisions and distribute work more evenly across your team. And that's how you use Monday.com for resource allocation and management. With a structured board, the right columns, and smart automations, you'll have a powerful system to track capacity and prevent overload. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more Monday.com tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video.